I, Alfonse Owiny-Dollo.
If approved by Parliament, Justice Alfonse Owiny-Dollo will be the first person to become Chief Justice, having served as deputy. Born on January 18, 1956, he studied law at Makerere University and holds a Master of Arts degree in conflict resolution from Bradford University, as well as a certificate in advanced mediation skills from the Centre of Conflict Resolution in Cape Town. In 1988, he was appointed legal counsel in the peace talks between then rebel group Uganda People's Democratic Movement and government. He also served as a representative for Agago County, both in the Constituent Assembly and 6th Parliament. In 1996, he was named Minister of State in charge of Northern Uganda Reconciliation Program and met Lord's Resistance Army rebel leader Joseph Kony face-to-face in Garamba Forest in DR Congo as a mediator in 2006. In 2008, he was appointed as judge of the High Court and served in the position for 7 years. Justice Owiny-Dollo was resident judge of the High Court in Fort Portal, and he also headed High Court's Execution and Bailiffs Division. He also worked at the International Crimes Division of the High Court. In 2015, he was appointed to the Court of Appeal, but could not immediately move as he was hearing the case in which 13 men were accused of killing 76 people in twin bombings in Kampala. He convicted 7 of them.
Therefore, to merely profess to belong to a listed terrorist organization.
At the Court of Appeal, which he joined in 2016, Justice Owiny-Dollo will be remembered for taking the Constitutional Court away from its headquarters in the capital to the eastern Uganda town of Mbale, purposely to hear the consolidated petition that challenged the controversial move by Parliament to lift the presidential age limits from the Constitution. Justice Owiny-Dollo was among the 4 judges out of the 5 that agreed the move was constitutional, a ruling which was later confirmed by the Supreme Court.
Sections 137 and 9 of the Amendment Act, which amended Articles 61, 102, 103, and 183 of the Constitution, were the result of a properly conducted parliamentary process.
For about 4 years at the helm of the second highest court in the land, he's been credited for salvaging the image of the court. And for 65-year-old Justice Richard Buteera, his appointment to the Court of Appeal may not be a surprise. The justice, who joined judiciary in March 1981 as a magistrate, worked as an assistant lecturer at the Faculty of Law in Makerere University. He joined the bench as a magistrate, rising through the ranks to become Chief Registrar of Courts of Judicature and later Director of Public Prosecution. As Director of Public Prosecution from 1995 to 2013, he is remembered as the person who sanctioned rape and treason charges against Dr. Kizza Besigye back in 2005 when he mounted a challenge on President Museveni's hold onto power. And immediately after his appointment to the Court of Appeal in 2013, he authored the lead judgment, throwing the so-called NRM Reb MPs out of Parliament on grounds that they lost their seats upon the expulsion from the ruling party. The judgment would years later be reversed by the Supreme Court. In July, he was appointed to the Judicial Service Commission.
I, Richard Buteera, swear that I will not.
The judiciary needs public funds to be invested in the judiciary for it to deliver justice. And this is an issue that we shall take up as a Judicial Service Commission with both Parliament and the Executive and see how the Ugandan population can receive justice.
Muhumuza, NTV.